What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the active trader platform on ThinkorSwim. This feature is very useful, especially for day traders, scalpers. Pretty much you get filled with a click of a button on your equity or option contracts. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use active trader for stock option contracts. Um, Really fast, easy to set up, easy to use. Execution is very quick. Way better execution than either using your phone to fill or using the order book to fill, because you have to go through a lot of steps to do that. So especially if you're day trading, you want the fastest execution, which is why active trader is the goat here. It's really a really good feature. So without further ado, let's get to it. How to set it up. So first of all, you're going to want to have your ThinkorSwim app open on your desktop. You're going to go top up here, click on charts, and then click on flexible grid. I already got it open. And then you want to go to the right hand side here and click on this little grid icon, and then click customize grid. And then a little dialog is going to pop up, and it's asking you where you want to create this box. You can create it wherever you want. I'm going to create it on the right hand side, so you click that little button. And let me resize it. Alright, now we have our box created. We don't need this dialog anymore to create more. You can do whatever you want. You can customize it any way you want. I'm going to uncheck it for now because we just want it like this. So now you have your box here, and you're going to want to link a contract to this. So for right now, we're going to click on the symbol link, and we're going to click you can click any color number you want. I'm going to use brown number 8 and link it to this box. And now we want to link a contract to it. So before we get there, um, we're going to be live trading with on demand on Tesla. We're going to be using the orb strategy here for you guys. And this strategy we teach is one of many different strategies we teach in our free Discord. Link's going to be down below. We have a lot of tutorials. We have daily watch lists, long-term watches. We have trade rationales. We host a bunch of lessons, all for free. It's in the Discord link below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to come in and learn. We just want everyone to learn and get the best out of it. Um, so yeah, so pretty much for this trade, we're going to be trading the orb. So what this strategy is we're going to be trading the breakout, either from if we break from the high of the first 15 minutes of open or the low. So for this one, we're going to be trading the low. So Tesla's low for the first 15 minutes was 907.3. So if we break below this, we're going to want to short it. So I plan on shorting this under 907.3, and we're gonna go for the $900 puts for Tesla. So we're gonna want to link this contract to this box here. So to do that, we're gonna go all the way to the left, go to trade, all products, and then enter symbol. So we're gonna be trading Tesla, and this is the option chain for Tesla. We want to do the $900 puts. So remember, right hand side is for your puts, left hand side is for your calls. So you're gonna go to the 900, and you could right click anywhere the on this row as long as it's under 900. Right click, hit the bottom one which is send, and this is the name of the contract, and send it to the box you linked before. So we did brown, so we're gonna link it to brown box. So remember, this is a bid and this is the ask. Don't worry about that for linking. You could link, you know what I'm saying, like I did, I'll do it again. Link it to that box anywhere on this $900 put row. So then now we're gonna go back to charts, and look, it's linked. Okay, so yeah, now this chart's linked to that contract. So I don't want the chart. I use the active trader, and we use level 2. Let me resize it. Alright, so I'm going to explain exactly what you're looking at here. So this is the option ladder for this 900 put. And also make sure you double check and make sure you selected the right contract. So it's the Tesla $900 put expiring February 18th, 2022. So click this little arrow here. It's going to show you your quantity of what you want to purchase or sell. So we're going to keep it at 10. You can move it whatever you want, 100, 200, whatever. We're going to keep it at 10 here. I always keep the template at single, and I'm going to explain this auto send in a sec. So let's say I want to buy. Okay, so first of all, let's explain the level two. So level two is showing you what the bid and the ask is for this contract. So they want to buy it. They're buying it at 1370, asking 1330. This is obviously outdated because it's on demand. It's a little, delayed. But that's level two for you here for this contract. And then this is the option ladder. So let's say I want to buy at $13 a contract. I want to buy 10 at $13 a contract. I'd go on this option ladder, go to 13, and I would buy here, and it'll give you a confirmation dialog and explaining what you're buying, and you click send, it'll send the order. So the auto send button, you just have that sent, and once you click it, it'll send the order automatically without a confirmation. Just be careful, make sure you know what you're doing before you do this. Practice on-demand feature or practice with paper trading account, just so you can get the hang of how it works. So these buttons are cool, but I like to have my buttons a little bit different. So if you want to customize your buttons, you click configure buttons, and then it'll show you this page. I like to have the buy ask on here, so I'd click buy ask and then click add item. It'll add it to your current set. I'll do that for buy bid as well. Um, Cancel all, sell ask, and sell bid. And then you can also rearrange the order how you want it on this, on this platform here. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Click OK, and it's there now. So now, um, when you're buying at ask, it'll fill you for 10. It'll send your order for 10 $900 puts, and try to send it to fill at the ask price, or you can do it at the bid price. Also, there's the cancel all button. So let's say you send an order out by accident, and if it doesn't fill, click cancel all, and it'll cancel the order for you. Very useful. I could also, when I have them, I can also sell them at the ask or sell them at the bid. Also, if the spreads are very tight and I want to really get in that trade and fill, I'll buy market. It'll fill you pretty quick. You're pretty much guaranteed to get filled, but it probably won't be the best price you want it at. It'll be between the bid and the ask, but you'll probably get charged. It'll probably fill you at a higher price than you want, but you get the execution. That's just how the market makers do it. And then you can obviously sell at the market. So for this trade, we are going to short it at the 907.3 level with 10 contracts of the $900 puts for Tesla. So we're gonna play it live trade now, and I'll show you guys what I do. I'm gonna fill for market, so once it breaks below this low, I'm getting in. I'm getting in here. I got in 10 contracts. Oh, look at that nice little dump. I'm gonna wait a little bit, wait for the sellers to really push in. Alright, I'm selling. I click join ask. Let's see if it fills me. Did it fill? It should fill. Let's see. Yeah, on demand's kind of. Alright, there we go. We got filled. Alright, so let's go to our monitor and see how we did on that trade. Go to monitor. We made $620 on that trade, so not bad. There you go. Made 620. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use Active Trader, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. Um, I would really appreciate if you guys dropped a like on the video. Just trying to help this channel grow. And if you could subscribe, that'd be awesome too. Hope you guys have a great day. Good luck.